Dogecoin, Doge, in a real sense is a mineable coin that is presently exchanged at $0.078316 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,118,832,794, that truly makes it a mid-position digital currency in a truly significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin especially have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for most certainly retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for huge institutional financial backers who explicitly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an essentially viable in every practical sense fence against expansion that takes a genuinely weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Thusly, having it kind of the most on a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto really is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, or so they especially thought. Yet, with it for the most part comes the need to intently explicitly follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on and really have some feeling representing things to come incredibly. This Dogecoin cost expectation model basically was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down practically the best coins or tokens to in every way that really matters, put resources into, and keep the value bend filling in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the in every way that really matters, fundamental standards of digital money exchanging and venture, which is very huge. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its for the most part current standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our exceptionally exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they sort of thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense remains at $0.078316, and this very specific computerized resource especially stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. For in every way that really matters, your data, the in every practical sense, positioning of each and every digital money, sort of is vigorously dependent on its exceptionally current market capitalization and cost, and essentially is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in a kind of large manner. Likewise, to for the most part get in every practical sense, better handle of the market circumstance and figure out the in every way that really matters, general heading of the pattern, or to truly enlist its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to generally examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an extremely significant manner. Yesterday, on November 24, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense remained at $0.076200 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.18% distinction when contrasted with the extremely current cost, 7 days prior, on November 18. The Dogecoin market remained at $0.086086 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Or so they sort of thought. As the outcome, the cost in a real sense moved by 0%, corresponding to its extremely present standing. A month prior, on October 25, Dogecoin generally was valued at $0.068362, which sort of harmonized with our cost expectation for that fundamentally specific period, or so they in a real sense thought. Contrasted with the extremely present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 14.56% cost move. At the point when it especially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its exceptionally generally prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Or so they in a real sense thought. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as an in every practical sense key marker to especially be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, which essentially is very huge. It in every practical sense is determined by duplicating the kind of all-out number of coins that essentially are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the genuinely current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now by and large stands at $0.078316, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Considering that recipe, we have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $11,118,832,794. Which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those exceptionally present on the digital money market. Yesterday, on November 24, the market capitalization of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $10,816,818,625, keep going week. On November 18, the especially aggregate sum of most certainly capital gave to Dogecoin in every way that really matters was laid out at $12,213,226,666, the information from a month prior, enlisted on October 25. Truly shows that Dogecoin truly had a market capitalization of $9,677,433,947, which truly is genuinely huge. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders' really cool wallets, which is very huge. The sort of complete stock likewise considers any coins that by and large have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It tends to be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that truly is public on the financial exchange, which basically is very critical. The complete stockpile of Dogecoin as of now in a real sense remains at 141,973,936, 384 Doge in a by and large huge manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply sort of is the most generally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. It compares with the very best estimation of the general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and really add to their liquidity in a truly significant manner. Their volume doesn't truly incorporate the coins that basically are vested, marked in truly savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use in an unpretentious manner. The circling supply is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin for the most part is assessed at 141,973,936,384 Doge, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market truly added up to $347,830,497, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on November 24, the kind of normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting truly added up to $279,606,815 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on November 18, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $2.03,139,870 in a kind of huge manner. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can generally assist you with in a real sense, surveying for yourselves the especially current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the genuinely current bearing or making a certainly inversion in an unpretentious manner. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file (CVIX) is our in every way that really matters essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations with respect to